Good day and thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Presi Andal. I am from the Philippines and I have several years of experience in the hospitality and service industry. Most recently, I work in Bahrain as a senior waitress, cashier, and semi-bartender at Rami Group of Hotels. In this role, I gain experience in customer service, handling cash and transactions, maintaining inventory, assisting customers, preparing and serving food and beverages, and making sure that the workplace followed proper hygiene and safety standards. I also have previous experience as a cashier and waitress, as well as experience in inventory management. My inventory experience taught me how to be organized, careful with details, monitor stocks, receive and check deliveries, maintain accurate records, and make sure supplies are available when needed. Aside from my professional experience, I am also a mother of 4 children. Being a mother has taught me to be very responsible, patient, hardworking, organized, and good at managing my time. Taking care of a family has also given me practical experience and managing a household and handling many responsibilities at the same time. I am experienced in household chores and general house cleaning. I know how to clean and organize different areas of a house, wash and iron clothes, wash dishes, prepare and cook meals, clean kitchens and bathrooms, organize household items, and maintain a clean and comfortable home. I am willing to learn the specific routines and preferences of the family or employer I will be working with. I consider myself hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, and willing to learn. I can work independently, but I can also work well with a team. I am comfortable working in a busy environment, and I always try to complete my responsibilities properly and with attention to details. I believe that my experience in hospitality, customer service, inventory, and household management has prepared me to be a reliable and hardworking employee. If given the opportunity, I will do my best to contribute positively to your household or company and earn your trust through my work. Thank you for considering me. Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir.